Finance Minister there, Karen Keller-Sutter. Not a bailout. This is a commercial solution, and it's just a problem of liquidity. Is that understating it? Because when you take a look at the kind of damage it's wreaked so far, Cyrus.
Actually, she is right. They are solvent. It's not like Credit Suisse has buckled under. They are solvent, but it's a illiquidity problem. Honestly, the amount of hits that they've taken, almost about 110 billion withdrawn over the last couple of months, various fines that they've had to do, the capital write-offs that they had last year in 21 and 22 came to almost about 5 billion euros. So it's a liquidity issue, that's clear. There's also the question about the future. I mean, what is Credit Suisse going to do if they didn't have this lifeline? So I don't think it's a bailout, but it is a bit of a crutch, a financial crutch that they've been thrown.
Cyrus, just as a quick question, if this is not a bailout, what would a bailout look like? Because effectively, Credit Suisse as an independent entity ceases to exist. A deal's been negotiated over the space of 72 hours. It looks as though bondholders are going to be bearing a significant portion of the pain. That doesn't sound like a friendly takeover by any stretch of the imagination.
It isn't. It isn't. As I said, I mean, they've been arm twisted into buying it. And again, rather than the assets being chopped up and sold overseas, as you know, their biggest depositors and biggest backers, even from Saudi, have kind of laid off the deal. Just over the weekend, we had a chat with them, and they were reluctant to put in anything more into Credit Suisse. So, yeah, in every state of the term or in every way you look at it, this was an arm twist. They had to buy it. Again, as I say, when you meet UBS, they are slightly optimistic about what all they've acquired. The investment banking business is going to be a question mark, a huge question mark. But I mean, the ultra net worth individuals, the trillions of assets under management, a huge amount of, various deals that they've already signed with the sovereigns. I think that's going to eventually benefit UBS in the long run.